All right, so here we have a video showing how to start the class or the assignments for Miss Wood based on what Mr. Taylor has posted. So each day from here on, there should be a date, and there might be two dates here, 16th, 17th, if you're not a first period class. If you're first period class, then it's only going to be that day that you do the assignment on. But there should be at least three things here each day. There'll be a video instruction on how to do these, on how to get started, which is this video. And then there'll be a video of the recorded lesson, and then a document or documents that need to be done or worked on during the lesson. So first thing I would do is go ahead and open this document, click on it the normal way you do to open it up. Then I would go to the recorded lesson and click on that, and then that video can play. While that video is playing, you'll be given instructions on what to do during the video, which you'll do on the document that I just showed you. So you'll play this video while doing this document. So at certain times during the video, I'm going to stop and have my class do something, and your job will be to do that same item or answer the same questions or do the same activity during those times when I'm stopped. Now the video is going to run continually, but there should be enough time while the video runs for you to do whatever it is that you're supposed to do. So if I say, okay, everybody take 2 minutes to write this information down, you take 2 minutes to write that information down and be ready to go when I start talking again for whatever's next on the plan. Now, one thing you'll want to be aware of is sometimes I may have the students do a few things at the beginning that relates to the previous lesson. You should also do that. So if I say, okay, open this back up, finish that up, you should open up the same document I talk about and make sure that yours is done as well. This particular lesson is going to have 10 or 15 minutes where the students are doing a document that I'm pretty sure you guys are done with, so you shouldn't have to worry about it. When that happens, then you can go ahead and skip ahead further in the lesson and be able to edit or start doing the next step, whatever that is. Okay, to say that again, so sometimes at the beginning of these lessons, lesson recordings, there'll be something I have my students do that you will do as well, unless it's something you've already completed and you're sure of it. When that happens, you can skip forward to when the lesson starts, making sure that you have all the documents open that you need, and then you'll continue from there. So for instance, later in the lesson, I've got this document opened up, and all the students do too, and I ask them to write some things down. So you'll write those things down wherever they show up the same time that you hear me do it in class in the video recording. Okay, so basically what you're going to do, again, watch the video telling you what to do, watch the lesson video, and do the assignments while the lesson video is going. And once in a while I'll say you can skip forward, but most of the time you'll just need to let it play so that you can do the actual activity that I'm asking the students in my classroom to do. So anyway, this is a work in progress. We'll see how it goes, but do your part and there won't be homework. So work hard while you're in class over there, and there won't be homework. And you can ask me questions through a classroom. I may not be able to answer right away while you're in the class, but that being said, actually, if you have questions, the easiest thing may be to rewind the video of the part you didn't quite understand to see if you can hear it better. And if not, just keep going and we'll deal with it, but do the best you can. So hopefully this helps and makes sense to everybody. And I think, oh yeah, turn in all the assignments. So after you watch the video, click the turn in button. After you watch the daily lesson video, hit the turn in button. And sometimes these documents, though, shouldn't turn them in. In fact, most days you will not turn in the documents because we'll go back to them the next day. But the videos, when you're done with them, I do want you to turn those in so I know that you watched them. Anyway, all right, we'll see how this goes. Thanks.